And I'm playing with Play-Doh today, and it's Madeline, I forgot to say, and I'll show you all. Let's just get straight into this video and show you all the colours that I've got. So I've got white Play-Doh, squishy, stretchy as well. I've got blue Play-Doh, stretchy, squishy. I've got purple Play-Doh, stretchy, squishy. I've got red Play-Doh, stretchy, squishy. Oh yeah, I just like saying that for some reason, I don't know why. Stretchy, squishy, green. I'm not sure you see all the colours, so blue, white, green, red, and purple. Okay, we're going to be making a rainbow cake, and that's all the colours what's going to be in the rainbow cake. So yeah, let's just get straight in. Like I said at the start. Right, so what you're going to have to do is just flatten them out. So like, we're going to do a circle rainbow cake. And so we're starting off with the green, like that. And then we're going to go to the blue. Because I normally put green and blue together in a picture. Or whenever I'm drawing like a butterfly, I put them together because they're like the matching colours. Well, that's what I think. That's what I imagine. So let's stack that on top, so it looks like that so far. Never actually, but it tastes disgusting Play-Doh, even though I've not tasted it before. I think it smells disgusting, and it tastes disgusting. I just imagine that it tastes disgusting. Then add the red on, and then the white. Let's put it on. And the purple. All the times when I do videos with my sister Madison, we're going to be together pretty much now, because she likes joining in with my videos. She thinks it's fun, so that's we're done with the rainbow cake, and that's what it looks like. Now we're going to take them all off, and now we're going to, I don't know what we're going to do, but we're just going to play with, should we make a snowman with a white? I think we should. Comment down below what you want me to make next with the Play-Doh. And comment down below if you want me to carry on doing videos with my sister or my little sister. Or both. It'll be very nice if both of them can join in. Just roll that up like that. Into a ball. This is going to be a 2 shape snowman, and eyes. So I've got no black. I'm going to like do it with the nearest colour. What is probably going to be purple, because the purple is quite dark. So that's what my snowman looks like so far. You can't really see when it's down there. I'll just how much it work down here. Still can't see. Here, can you see? No. I'll just hold it like this so you can see. I just need to put it down for 1 sec. I'm just gonna get a bit of that. And it just came apart. Squishy. I love the feel of it. So that's it. I need to make that a round, more of a round shape. Now I'm just gonna like, I haven't got orange either, so I'm just gonna use red thick out on the nose. So this is one little circle, and this one's gonna be the eye. So that's it, like, with one eye. I'm an alien. Right, let's do the next eye. make the mouth. The mouth is like little stones, but I'm doing it with Play-Doh. So I'm just going to do little stones. I'm only going to do them a little, so even little than that, I'm going to break it into half. And then I'm going to make the nose after the mouth. I just need to do the mouth. I'll just show you the mouth when it's done. Oh yeah, and I need to do the buttons, don't I? Ooh, I forgot about that. I forgot what a snowman looks like. But it's only just been Christmas. And I've still lost a picture of snowman. Right, let's just do the 3 buttons. I'm going to do the 3 buttons quite big. So that's 1. I'm going to show you all at the end. So you don't worry if you don't get to see it. Well, you will. So I'm going to show you at the end. Oh yeah, I'll use the purple for the arms as well. It's going apart. Right, I'll show you it so far. I'm not very good at making stuff. I'm not very good at artist. Gonna make this can be like the snow that's on the ground. Let's just do this. I'm gonna stick that on like that. Maybe I could do this so you could see. Oh no, you can't, still can't see. Okay, right. Now let's do the nose. I'm gonna do it in red because we don't have any orange like I said before. I'm not gonna do that pink nose. I'm just gonna like do a carrot. Oh, that's a good shape for a carrot. Stick it on there. It's like that. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, a bit of the mouth just came off. Oh, I just found out. Now let's do the arms in a bit of purple. 1 sec. I'm sorry I've done this twice now. Well, I think I've done it twice. I'm just seeing when my dad's gonna get back. My friend's coming. I might do a video with my friend if she comes. She might be having a sleepover. If she does come, I'll make sure we do a video together. And my sister, and maybe my little sister Olivia. My little sister called Olivia. I don't think I've mentioned that. And oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I've made a video all about me, and I forgot to put I have a little sister Olivia in it. It's a bit mean, isn't it? But sorry Olivia if you're watching this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I might have forgot. I don't know if I have actually. And then I'm just gonna poke a little hole. Yeah, my dad's back right now. I can hear his cough. Yeah, I think my friend Amy is here because I can hear my sister screaming. Yeah, that's how wild she is when someone comes around. One second. Is she here? She has to put somewhere tomorrow. Okay, she's not coming. So instead we went to the pound shop and we did the lottery. Okay, so my snowman is finished. I'm gonna be starting it soon. Nice snowman. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch all my other videos. So bye. My sister's here. Would you like to say bye? Bye guys.